This bird smells like manure, and it's not a joke. Meet the hoatzin, also called the stink bird of the Amazon. Unlike other birds, it ferments leaves in its gut just like a cow. Its enlarged foregut hosts bacteria that break down plants and release smelly gases, the exact process used by ruminant mammals. And hoatzin chicks are born with claws on their wings, letting them climb trees like reptiles. It smells like a cow, climbs like a dinosaur, and flies like a bird. Mind blown, right? So follow and subscribe FactDose by Dr. SK for more such facts.